Today, I'll show you how to create a template for Webflow, a powerful web design tool that allows you to build fully responsive websites without needing to write code. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, creating a template can streamline your workflow and help maintain consistency across your projects. In this tutorial, we'll break down the process into simple, easy to follow steps. First, let's head over to webflow.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or you can click on it if you have it bookmarked. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of your projects. Look for the All Sites button and click it. This will show you a list of all the websites you've created or are managing within Webflow. It's your central hub for accessing each site individually. Now, find the site you want to turn into a template. Once you've located it, move your cursor over the site thumbnail and you'll notice three dots appear in the corner. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to the site's settings page where you can manage various aspects of your project. It's an important step because this is where you'll access the template settings. Within the settings page, find and click on the General tab. This section contains general information and options related to your site. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these settings as they can be quite useful for managing different elements of your site. Now, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Shared Workspace Template. This might be a bit further down, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. This section is where you'll create a template that can be reused for future projects. Once you found the Shared Workspace Template section, you'll see an option to Make Template. Click on this button to begin the process of creating your template. This action will prompt a few additional steps to finalize your template. At this point, you'll have the opportunity to name your template. Think about a name that makes it easy to identify and remember, especially if you plan to create multiple templates in the future. It could be based on the theme, layout, or any other distinguishing feature. After you've decided on a name, type it into the text box provided. Make sure it's clear and descriptive enough to serve as a handy reference later on. Finally, to complete the process, click Confirm. This will save your new template and make it available for you to use in other projects. You'll now be able to apply this template whenever you create a new site, ensuring consistency and saving you time on future projects. And there you have it. You've successfully created a template in Webflow that you can use to jumpstart new projects. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your workflow and maintain a cohesive design style across all your sites. Thank you for watching and happy designing.